My dear 11th class students, this is part 4 of same topic, prepositions. In this video, let's learn the use of preposition to, into, with, beside, besides, above, over, below, under, of, in, within. Now coming to the first slide. Where do we use preposition to and into? We use preposition to and into for things which are in motion. It may be anything, maybe any person, any animal, or anything. When they are in movement, when they are doing any movement or motion, so we use to and into. This preposition to will be used in place of on. For example, this is a table and a book is here, and we will say a book is on the table. So no motion or no movement can be seen there, that's why we use on. But if we see an emotion or movement, we say to. Similarly, we use into, not in, when we have to show things in movement or motion. Now, coming to the first example, cat jumped on the top of the charts. While reading the sentence, it seems perfectly alright, but it's incorrect. Why? Because cat, for example, this is a cat jumped cat jumped, so it is showing some movement, and where it jumped, to the top of the charts. So cat is in motion, so we'll not use on here. We are supposed to use to, because motion can be seen here, movement of cat can be seen here, because cat is jumping, cat has jumped. Then she dropped the letter in the box. This is also incorrect, because she dropped a letter in the box. That means a letter is in motion. So into will be used in place of in, because there is a kind of movement or motion. For example, if here it's a box and a pen is here, and we say the pen is in the box, because we use in, because there is no movement, the pen is not doing any movement, or the pen is already there is no motion, no movement. In such cases we use in. But while dropping this letter in the box, it was in motion, so we use into. Now coming to the preposition with. This preposition is used in different ways in different places, and we generally make use of it. But let's see this example here. So with is used when instruments are used by the agent. Let's understand this by the help of this example. The ball was hit by the bat. It seems correct, but it's incorrect. It means help was taken by bat to hit ball. So bat is being used as an instrument to hit ball. So we use with. So when a person, animal, or thing, or any doer makes use of instruments, we use with. We use with. Whenever a person, animal, thing, or any doer makes use of instruments, we use with. So when we will say the ball was hit with the bat, So when we are showing use of any instrument for any task or by any doer agent, we use with. Now coming to besides and beside. We often get confused if suppose any fill in the blanks is given and these two options are given and we are supposed to use either besides or beside. So beside means by the side of. For example, if I am here and I have to say she is here, we use beside. And besides means in addition. Besides means in addition. For example, if I have to say I have two books, then I will talk about two more books. For such cases, we use besides. So besides means in addition. Now, coming to the example, he sat besides wall. This is totally incorrect. For example, he's here, this is a wall, so I have to say like and this person is sitting here and this is a wall. We don't say he sat besides the wall. We have to show his position and we have to tell where he is sitting, so we will use beside. We will not use besides because besides means in addition, where we have to show some extra things, some more, there we use besides. So uh, there will be three people coming besides you and Raj. It means besides you and Raj, there will be three more people. It means you and Raj are there only, but in addition to that, there will be three more people. Three more people are also coming. So when we have to show such things, we use besides. And besides is used for showing situation where we have to show some addition. I hope this is clear to you. Now coming to above, over, below and under. There is often confusion while using such prepositions. Let's see the difference between above and over first. So whenever a thing is lying on something, for example, a table is here. This is a table and a thing is here. So whenever a thing is lying on something and it's not actually touching it, so in such cases we make use of above or over. But if a thing is in actual contact, is touching the thing, it's on that thing, we use on. For example, I will say the mug is on the table. They are totally in contact. These two are in contact. For such cases, we use on. But if there is no contact between the two, we use above or over. Now see, if a thing is there, fine. As I told you, if a thing is there and it's not touching it exactly, there is no contact between the thing and the table, then we use above or over. But if it is in contact with the table, if it is touching the table, then we use on. But now see, if that thing is just there in one position, for example, this is a thing and it is just in one position, and for such cases we use above. But if there is a movement, if there is a movement, we use over. In such cases, we use over. Same is the case with below and under. Example, here is a table. Fine, here is a table. A cat is here. We use below, but if the cat is in movement, we use under. If it is in movement, we use under, but if it is just here, we use simply under. So over and under shows movement, and above and below shows just the position. The bird flew over the lake. This is a lake and bird flew. So here bird is in movement, so we make use of the preposition over because bird is in movement. And then we have the bag is below the table. This is a table and the bag is here. The bag is below table, so there is no movement, just the position is shown. We use below. If movement was shown there, then we were supposed to write under. Now the other example, they are playing under the tree. For example, this is a tree. Sorry, I am very poor at drawing. This is a tree and they are playing, children are playing here. And so a tree is here, and if some children are there and they are playing, so they are in movement, they are in motion, we use under. In order to show some movement, in order to show some motion, we use under and over. So they are here, so they are playing under the tree. Under, because we will not use below, because they are in movement, they are playing, they are in motion. Now coming to the preposition of, o double f of and of of. O double f of is used for separation if two things are together. If two things are together and then we separate them, there is a separation. We use, for such situations, we use of, o double f of, or to show some things which are far away, and of is used to show some cause, origin, quality, position. Let's see the example. He puts off his coat is totally incorrect. He puts o double f off his coat. This means the person was wearing a coat and then it was with him and now he put off his coat. It's not with him. A separation is being shown here, so use of, of is here, so we use of here. For separation we use of. And then we have this example, he died of cancer. A cause is shown here. What is shown here? A cause is shown here. What's the cause of his death? Cancer. So we say he died of cancer. He died of COVID-19. Now coming to the last one, in and within. Let's see how we use it in terms of time. In is used to show at the end and within is used before in and. Means, for example, we left at 5 o'clock expecting to come back in or within an hour and watch the 6 o'clock movie. Means we have to come means we have to come back before completing 1 hour. Then only we can watch the 6 o'clock movie. Means we have to come before 6. If we leaving at 5, means we have to come before 1 hour, before we complete 1 hour. So before the end we have to come back. In such cases we use within. So in such sentences, try to understand the sentence first, then only use with or within. Thank you.